then I looked at this again and I'm like, you know what? If what I did was I put my stop in and I originally mapped that out and the trade looked kind of like this approximately. And I'm like, okay, well, there's my trade. And then I look to the left and I'm like, well, wait a minute, there's a rally base rally there. I'm like, what am I going to let myself get stopped out here when it drills in there and then it's going to pop? What am I, an idiot? So at that
Yeah.
point, then, well, don't answer that. But I mean, but at that point, then I was like, well, as much as I'm not a huge fan of this, I'm like, I think it's the responsible thing, in fact, to treat this as a level on level. And then that was the basis for, getting into this trade. And then obviously, obviously, the rest is history. This worked, obviously worked nicely. But the point being is that, you had to basically allow it, you had to give it the room to do it. So whatever. To me, it's a necessary evil sometimes. But I know that Ryan's right. Real supply and demand traders, they actually just they a lot of them think that you're like kind of a
Actually, I
wimp.
lost audio. Hold on.
Say again? I'm sorry?
I lost audio. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
All right,
No,
back
real
now.
supply, other supply and demand traders, they actually consider